Hi everyone, so we are back with more goodies from Aliexpress. So the first item today is these alphabet number dies, and they are a really nice size actually. They're stitched around the edge. They are just gorgeous to use on projects, especially specific birthday, years, etc. But they're good for dates and all sorts of things, but they are a nice size as well. So that's item number one in my shopping basket. And then this next one is quite fun, a lot of fun. It's these garden tools and this lovely die set. Just really cute and adorable, as you can see. They are just dinky, really dinky little tools. So if you know someone that loves gardening, great to put on a card. Put a basket of flowers or something, or I don't know. Get very creative with them, something a bit different. Anyway, I like it when you find, when I find different dies. Excuse me. This next one, it's a dress and a hanger and a veil. Just very pretty, as you can see here. Those are the pieces that it cuts out, so they're quite a nice size again. And the next item is a lot of fun. Look at this little camera purse, just adorable. And I love the way that these dies actually cut out the felt. Very cute. Look at this. But you don't have to just make a purse with it. You can, cut it out just to put on card fronts, etc. And this next item, I do love giving gifts, so it's nice to have something different other than card making, etc. So this is a key fob, and again, cuts through felt. Now there are two lots of dies that you can buy. There's this one that cuts out the main piece, the main body, as you can see here from the die. And look, it's even got the little holes for you to put your stitching in. So cool. Really is really cool. And the next die that's coming up, they are bought separately, is the actual center flower piece. So you've got the main body, which you buy separately. These are just some examples of different colours and what you can actually do with it. But I just love the way that it's got the stitching holes for you as well. Very, very easy and good, but great for kids as well. So you could cut these out and, get the kids involved. So this next die, excuse me, I'm losing my voice again, coming up is the actual flowered centerpiece, and it's £1.69. As you can see, it's got all the little bits to cut out the flower to put on the front of these. But you could get creative and put other items on the front of these key fobs. You don't have to put, the flower on there. Just really, really cute and great gifts. And so this next die is a decorative border that you can use for, panels, etc. on card fronts, or, you can use it on your scrapbooking, your journaling. And here are some examples coming up of cards made with these dies, and some lovely gifts. So it's just lovely decorative edges there, and just really intricate as well. Just look at these, look. How gorgeous is that? But, it looks like there's an awful lot of hard work gone into that, but actually these dies make these cards and these projects very, very easy. And if you like your stamping and you like fairies, here's a couple of fairy stamp sets. This one with little sprinkle dust. The reason I have the two pictures is to obviously show you the prices as well, so that you know how much they are before, so you don't have to go and have a look if you don't want to. So that's the first one, and this is the second set with a fairy on the branch, under the moon and the stars. Love fairies, don't we? And this is like the silhouette fairy, so, but you wouldn't have to have it in black, you can have it in any colour you like. And then here are some stickers, and these are, I think they're called apple blossom stickers, and they're just very colourful and pretty and oriental. So if you're doing an oriental project, then this is a must-have for your collection. This is one that I'm waiting on. Don't actually have it in my box of goodies yet, but they are beautiful. Look at the flowers on there. They're just very colourful and pretty, and you know, look at this. I just love them. The colours are beautiful, and there's quite a few different stickers here in this pack, as you will see in a minute on the next picture that we've got coming up. You'll see that there's a large variety of things coming up here. And then not only do I obviously buy stickers and things, I buy tools for crafting, and this is a really neat one. It's a pickup tool, so obviously for your crystals and your little gemstones, and so handy to have. And they come in different colours. In the middle they've got like little crystal-y things, so you've got different colours, so you can have I think it's yellow, pink, I think it is, and they did have a blue one as well, but I'm not sure if they still have a red one. So yeah, very handy tool, and it does come in a lovely little box as well, so you don't so you can keep it nice, and you don't have to you know, keep it safe there, and especially the end bit, you can keep that end bit clean. So hope you've enjoyed today's video, and see you all soon.